All right, Unit 5, Lesson 4, we're looking at question number 2 and 3. And today's lesson was on what's called the angle bisector theorem. And the angle bisector theorem basically says that we end up with a proportion here. So I could say this piece 20 is to this piece here. I don't know what that piece is, but I'm going to find it. 20 is to that as 28 is to 7. And so they're showing me that this whole length is question mark. So whenever I see a question mark, I just like to put a variable there. So let's call it x. So then I could come up with an expression for this little piece, and that little piece would be x minus that 7. So I could put x minus 7 here. So now my proportion becomes 20 is to x over 7, 20 is to x, or x minus 7, as 28 is to 7. Oops, how did I just switch colors? As 28 is to 7, and go ahead and cross multiply. Don't forget, when you multiply the 28 times that quantity, you're doing 28 times this whole thing, x minus 7. And when you do that, you have to remember to use the special property called the distributive property. And on the right, you're going to have 7 times 20. Okay, finish up that algebra on your own. And let's take a look at number 3. Same rule applies here. We could say 2x minus 5 is to 10, as 21 is to this value here. We could easily find that value by subtracting 24 minus 10 and get 14. Okay, so you can do this is to this, as 21 is to 14, set up the proportion, and solve that one on your own.